Hi guys, so this will be an update analysis on Monero. So what am I expecting on Monero? If you watched my previous video on Monero, right, I said this was my kind of prediction on Monero and what I was expecting on Monero, right? I said, first of all, I said we're expecting a push up to this level right here. And as you can see, the last time we analyzed, Monero was probably at this level right here. And now we've gotten up to this level right here. So I said I was expecting a possible push up to this level right here. And my reason is because we can see right here, there is another block, right? There is another block here. There is an imbalance right here, and also there is also my negative 27% at this level right here. So I was saying that we might probably just push up to this level right here, before we now retrace, and we can see we are almost at that level, just a few points off from here to here. So that's what I said. We might just get to that level right here, then we might just push up to our overall target, which is at this area. So there's still a possibility that we might push up to this level right here, and if not, we've mitigated our imbalance anyway, which is, if you look left, our imbalance is around this level to this level right here. So anything within that, it has been mitigated. So that is all we're seeing right now. So we might still push up a little bit before we now continue to drop, or we might start dropping from this level right here. So there's a possibility, but I'm still gonna leave it like that because most of the time my target always gets to negative 27. So I'm just gonna leave it and let's see how that reacts at that level. Then there's a possibility after that we might drop, like I just said previously. And my second scenario is, if you look up as well, there is similarities at that aspect as well, which is there's another block, and I think this will probably be my negative 88.6% fib as well. Well, let me just see, maybe it is. I did not draw fib on that level, so let me draw it now. Yep. Let me just change the color of it. Okay, so at least I know the difference. So this one is like the major trend, which is an impulse. The correction is like the minor trend, then the continuation of the major trend. So now that we've seen, right, I think, let me just draw one more possibility around this level right here. Yep, so that's another possibility around that level right here. And let's see, 75, let me round it up to that. Yep, so let's see. So these are my possibilities, right? Let me just draw a quick one right here. So it's currently around this area to this area, and still my targets right here. So those are my possibilities as of now. So let me go to my second possibility, right? The reason why I drew this possibility is because we might still break the structure of this trend line right here. We might break the trend line right here and come here to retest before we finally push down. And my reason is because there is an imbalance right here. So sometimes you just push yourself to an imbalance before we drop. So if you look left, you can see there is an imbalance right here. I know it's quite tiny, but there's an imbalance right there that needs to be mitigated. So and that is almost between and that is very close to my 78.6% fib level as well. So there's a balance, there's a probability it might just tweak a little bit to the 78.6% before we now finally push down. So those are like the confluences I have there that I thought we might get there and reject from as well. So that's my reason. So my third reason right now is because we can see there is a weak rejection at this level right here, and majority of the time if there's a weak rejection, it goes into that weak rejection to fill it up a little bit before we now go down. Sometimes fill it up to like give us like an M pattern, right? And sometimes you fill it up to like the 50% level, and I think majority of the time it fills up to like 50% level before we push down, and 50% level actually aligns more with my 88.6% level. So at the other block right there, the 50% is aligning with my 88.6% level. So that's what I'm thinking it might come here. And let me just recap my reasons. There is another block here, there is 88.6% level, fib level right here, and there's also that imbalance at the right here. So those are my confluences to see that we might actually get to that place to mitigate those to mitigate and fill up those candlesticks before we now finally drop to steal our main target. So, and that's just my overall thoughts on Monero. Hope this is insightful. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and if you have any question, just leave it down in the comment section below and I will do my possible best to answer to the best of my ability. Thank you so much guys for always watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.